on this win, a big win for Farm Fresh to stay alive in the finals race. What can you say about how the team performed tonight against
Yes,
you?
thank you so much today. Very fantastic game. Before game, I said to player, we are challenger, and you have to think opponent, PLDT mentor. Yeah. But today we was win, but I don't know tomorrow again the game win or not. I don't know. Very fantastic game. So last time game is so no good performance is a two. Yeah, but today last she was good performance. And assess also constant serve catch, constant offense, always talking, and libero Maika. She was a spiker last time. This time change the libero. Little bit improve. Little bit she understand about libero work. So I appreciate the player and I appreciate the PLDT team. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach. Trisha, best player of the game. Ayun nga na-mention ni Coach, hindi masyadong maganda last game, but grabe yung binawi mo in this game and especially the last set. Siguro, ano lang ba yung tumatakbo sa isip mo that entire time to really help Farm Fresh win this match?
Unang-una po siguro yung tiwala nila sa akin. Ayun yung ayaw kong masira. And last game na yun, hindi ako nakapag-perform ng maayos. And ngayon, gusto ko talagang bumawi. Then yun, binigyan pa ako ng chance bumawi. Yung crucial part, yung pa-ending ng game. So, sobrang thankful ako unang-una sa coaches and sa mga kasama ko na yung trust talaga na kahit anong mangyari, hindi nila ako pinabayaan. Kaya yun, total team effort talaga itong game na to. Super.
Thank you. Ate says, 12 points in this match and 9 excellent digs. Ayun nga, first time ng Farm Fresh na matalo yung PLDT. And in a crucial game dito sa semifinals, ano lang yung masasabi mo sa pag-step up din ng lahat ng players in the team?
Siyempre proud ako sa mga teammates ko and sa coaches ko kasi talagang nung natalo kami nung game namin against Signal, medyo mabigat sa amin yun kasi hindi lang siya lost Tapos tough loss talaga siya para sa amin. Kita nyo naman yung scoring namin before and marami kaming inayos tsaka pinalish talaga sa training. And yung schedule din namin na every parang other day lang yung game. Medyo nahirapan kami dun mag-adjust. But then, luckily talaga, si God talaga, iba siya. Binigay niya sa amin yung win today. So, ibig sabihin, may purpose pa to. So, I hope na next time, mas mabigay namin yung best namin and ma-show namin talaga yung talent ng buong team.
Thank you. Micah, yun nga na-mention ni Coach, minsan spiker, minsan libero. In this match, naka-12 excellent digs ka din. Paano mo lang ba ina-own yung role mo, especially dito sa crucial stretch ng campaign ng Farm Fresh?
Siguro hindi na yun about sa role, sa tiwala na yun na binigay sa akin ng coaches, and may feel ko din yung trust sa akin ng teammates ko na tiwala talaga sila na kaya kong gawin lahat. And syempre, malaking tulong din kanina yung serve pass namin kasi nasira din talaga yung setting ng kalaban, kaya madali na lang din magbasa sa likod.
Sa players, paano nyo lang siguro kinapitan isa't isa nung down kayo nung 22-18 nung fourth para mahabol yun and makuha na itong panalo?
Well, kasi parang sinabi niya sa amin ni Coach, huwag namin bigyan ng pressure yung sarili namin kasi mas may hinahabol si PLDT kaysa sa amin. Kami kasi parang ang goal talaga namin pumasok ng semis and then kung ibibigay sa amin, tatrabahuhin namin. As in, nagpo-flow lang kami talaga doon. But then, pag binigyan kami ng chance, syempre, gagrab namin yung opportunity. So, ayan.
Same question, Trisha. And paano nyo lang kinapitan isa't isa lahat nung down kayo nung fourth? Yun nga para makuha na itong panalo.
Same po, lagi po kami nire-remind ni Coach na challenger lang kami dito. So, yun nga, yung pressure is wala sa amin. So, siguro naging maganda yung ganong mindset ni Coach amin na walang pressure, maglaro lang kayo ng laro nyo. And yun, kung bibigyan kami ng chance, talagang i-grab namin yun. And ito yung chance talaga na never namin bibitawan and ibibigay sa iba.
Siguro na-feel lang din talaga ng isa't isa yung kapit na ayaw na namin na mag-fifth set pa. Kasi maganda naman yung flow, maganda na yung rhythm. And ayun, nakuha naman hopefully.
Kasi sabi mo, bago sa inyo lahat yun sa semis. Yung first game sa semis as a team, ano nagbago between that and today as a veteran leading this young farm fresh?
Well, I think yung experience namin yung first game namin, mabigat kasi yun eh. Ayaw na namin ulit ng bawat isa, ayaw namin na maranasan ulit yun. So, this time may opportunity, bakit di namin ibigay yung best namin? Wala namang mawawala sa amin. So, I think yun yung isang nagbago yung mindset namin towards the game na kaya namin, pagtatrabahuan namin.
And Trisha, you scored 5 of the last 7 points din for Farm Fresh. Parang take us lang how much you really wanted it nung dulo. Not only yung win, but also karangan na rin yung PLDT from coming back.
Siguro, ako, hindi, as a team, talagang ginusto naming manalo. And matapos yung game na panalo. And yun, kasi ang sarap din talaga maglaro pag may mga nagtitiwala sa'yo. Talagang walang, doon, as one kami kanina eh. So, ang sarap maglaro na kahit anong paluin mo dyan, lagi nila ako nire-remind, pumalo ka lang dyan, nandito kami sa likod mo. Yung ganong klaseng back-up, ang sarap sa feeling nun, so wala akong intindihin. Siguro yun, yung ganong motivation, hindi ko kayang sayangin yung ganun na chances. So, ayun.
Trisha, first time now for Fresh. Also your first time in the semis. How are you treating every game? Parang last game na ito. Paano mo ina-approach? Lalo na hindi namin alam kung paano i-treat ang first time.
Ako po personally, na-enjoy ko po kasi yun nga, first time namin dito. And yun nga po, walang mawawala sa amin. Nakapasok kami ng Final Four. Kung bigay sa amin yung mga games, talagang tatrabahuhin namin yun. And ngayon, siguro yung last game namin, ako personally sinasabi ko na lang sa sarili ko, mas maganda nang nangyari yun na una. Na ganun. Talagang tumatak sa akin yun eh. Ayoko nang maulit talaga again. So yun yung naging motivation ko rin after nung loss na yun na babawi kami.
Coach, your next game, Creamline. Another crucial game for you.
Yes, next bounce is a field oil, right?
Yes.
99.8% cream line chill. My team 0.2%. Maybe 0.1%. Yeah. No advantages, but we are challenger. Yeah. And okay, this is my request to media. Now this 14 PLDT signal cream line very famous, but Farm Fresh no famous. Volleyball fan they don't know Farm Fresh team name. Before, some people asked me, "Hey, you are coach, Petrogas." Yes, I was Petrogas coach, but nothing Petrogas. But last week, one person told me, you are NXL coach. No, NXL coach. NXL is Italian coach. So I would like to more appeal to use Facebook, Instagram, appeal. Please appeal the Farm Fresh. Yeah, because now starting the Farm Fresh 2023. Yeah, too short time. So into top 4 very difficult, too high hurdle. But now we could in the top 4. I'd like to please more appeal to Farm Fresh. Yeah. Also always look the seat. Always pink, nothing orange.
0.2% family and friends.
Yeah. Yeah.
Support Farm Fresh.
Yes. But tomorrow conditioning next cream line, they understand, they know have to get semi-final because always cream line in the top 4, they know fighting style. But my team first time, everyone don't know, but we are challenge. And justice. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Ano, great sis mo.